Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is Friday, July 10th. The last time that I did an oil change was like 3 or 4 months ago, I think, or longer than that. So yeah, about 3 or 4 months ago. So today is the 10th July 2026. I did a video before to show you guys that when he implemented, if he implemented the tariff at that time, I'm talking about the President of the United States, of course. Was it last year I did the video, or the year before I did the video? When he had took office, so it was last year, right? I can't even remember. 2025. He won in 2024. Took office 2025, January. So we in a year later. So I just bought this motor oil at Walmart. I bought Valvoline. I got the receipt right here. This came up to I'm gonna show you the brand that I have. Advanced full synthetic, of course. 0W20. Hold on, I don't know if you guys could see it. Let me flip the camera for you guys. So 0W20, Valvoline, full synthetic, advanced protection, blah blah blah, whatever. Now, I never purchased no motor oil over no $30. So here's the receipt right here. It's 7% tax. It had came to like 34, but I use discount. I got a discount on it. You know, your boy got use a little discount given. As you can see, the discount given up there, $3.20. So it dropped it down to $30.78. Now the $30, I don't really complain about the $30, but what if I didn't get the discount? It would have run me $34 and change, which is ridiculous because I never spend that much. I never spend that much on, you know, never spend that much on motor oil like that. And there's only 5 quarts. So anyways, let's get into the video. I'm going to show you guys the prices in Walmart. It is ridiculous with how much the prices increase on motor oil. Stay tuned. Let's get it. Here at Walmart doing a follow-up video, and the prices the prices is off the chain. Okay, we have super tag. I know, you know, oil is oil. Nah, oil is not oil. Some oil got different additives than some, but this is the cheapest so far. The super tag, you know, they have the 016, 520. I don't see no 5. Well, they do have the 5W, the 0W20. $24. They have the 0W20 full synthetic, 19 and change. They have the 0W20 17 and change. I don't see it. The sign is right here. 5 quarts 0W20. I don't know if it's the basic or it says SYN synthetic, so I don't know if it's synthetic blend or full synthetic. I don't know, but prices right here. Everything went up. Everything definitely went up. Like, yo, I came to get oil, but I can't even make a decision. I can't make a decision. Like, some people use super tech, some people don't. 1040, 17 and change. I never used super tech before. So over here we have the Valvoline, Chevron, Valvoline, whatever you want to call it. 26, they have the 5W20. 26 up here, 0W20 34. And we're going to get to the Pennzoil. Look at that. 016. Everything went up. Bro, 35. Around this price used to be go for Royal Purple, and we at Walmart. So the prices is really off the chain. Look at that. $39, $40. $40 for 5 quarts of oil. 40 bucks. They should have just put 40. $39.97. When tax hit it, it's 40. Yo, what can I say, guys? People was coming at me. I remember when I made the video earlier, people was coming at me, oh, oil is not going to increase, oh, Donald Trump is the man, and this and that. Put them tariffs on, and we here. Yo, this is ridiculous. I don't even believe this. I don't believe this at all. I'm dreaming right now. I'm dreaming. This is a dream. This is a dream. A dream, guys. I'm dreaming. I'm dreaming. 30. What happened to all the $20 29 quick estate 30 bucks. Call it 30 bucks. 29, call it 30 bucks. So we heading over to the Castrol. Okay. Yeah, we're, I noticed all the prices increase.
Yep.
It's off the chain. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so the prices is off the chain. Come on. ZOW20 high mileage, GTX, Castrol, 30. 5W20, 5W30, 30. 30. Edge high mileage. This one is 23. I don't use high mileage. This is not even full synthetic. Well, actually it is. Sorry, it is advanced full synthetic, but I don't do high mileage. That's crazy. Yo, there's another one right here, the same, but most of them is out. There's only one of the high mileage. The Euro Edge, oh, that's high mileage, 23. But these are the Euro that they have, 540. This is 10W30. 10W30 for 23 with, so it's this I don't, my car can't use that. It's a mess. It's a mess right now, guys. The economy suck. It seems like it's worse than COVID. The prices is worse than COVID. Look at this. It's worse than COVID. Oh, these are for trucks, heavy duty vehicle, 1540. That's too thick anyways for my car. Up here, Castrol 35, Edge 25. I can't use this. I use this for my Avalon, which is not bad, 25. But for my for the Lexus is 0W20. I'm gonna have to spend over 30 bucks for 5 quarts of oil. Man. Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah, your Mobil one is, sorry.
Come on, no problem, no problem.
For that one bottle. And then it took another quart, I believe. So that other quart was like 7 for 8 a bottle. Okay, perfect. Oh, that'd be
yeah. So, hey. we here. We here, guys. We here, guys. We are here. we here, guys. We are here. Valvoline 31. That look like a high mileage one for 22. That's for 22. 22. Look at the royal purple. 42 bucks. We at Walmart. 42 bucks, guys, for the Royal Purple. Yo, this is crazy work. Crazy work. Valvoline. 30. Everything increases. Everything is up. That's all I gotta say. Mobil one. Everything is up. It's up. We at Walmart. It's up. Yo, I never paid this much money for Mobil for Mobil one or for Mobil oil. Any oil. I never paid this much. Yo, that is crazy, bro. You see this, guys? Everything is up. Yeah, them tariffs is full effect. Full effect. Euro vehicles, it's in full effect. Full effect. Full effect, guys. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. The filters is over here. I don't see too much of the filters. Well, I usually go for these. It's still 7 and change for the Toyota Lexus. I don't see mine's though. Mine's like A1. I don't see it. Basically down here, I don't see it. A1. Yeah. But yeah, guys, it's a mess. It's a mess on the Mobil oil. They increase. It's done. What can you do? You gotta do what you gotta do, right? Got to. But yeah, leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Have it increased yet in your area? I'm in Florida right now, so it's increased. It's up. It's up. It's a wrap. Everything increases. The price is up. It's a wrap. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section if your area increases, because these prices is ridiculous. I know things do go up over time, but during COVID, they wasn't even this high. During COVID, we out of COVID era. You feel me? And everything is up. It is up. It's ridiculous. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Tell me what you think. Tell me if your areas is increased on motor oil as well. Walmart usually be the cheapest. I never go to the auto parts store because they're more expensive. But now Walmart is looking like them right now. I know they probably increase their motor oil even more than Walmart. Wow. Well.